we divide 453 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 3 and 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 0. So 453 divided by 3 is 151. So this much for today and thanks for watching.